Hello students, I am Professor Deepak Patil from Automobile Engineering Department. Through this video, I am going to explain you the introduction to internal combustion engine. First of all, I would like to tell you the definition of engine. An engine is a device which transforms one form of energy into another form of energy. However, while transforming energy from one form to another form, the efficiency plays a crucial role. Normally, most of the engine converts the thermal energy into mechanical work, and therefore they are called heat engine. Now, definition of an heat engine. So, heat engine is a device which transforms the chemical energy of fuel into a thermal energy, and utilizes this thermal energy to perform the useful work. Thus, the thermal energy is converted into a mechanical work. In this heat engine. However, heat engine can be broadly classified into two categories. First one, IC engine, and second one, EC engine. IC engine means internal combustion engine. And the definition for IC engine: the heat engine in which combustions take place inside the engine cylinder, that is, in combustion chamber, is called the IC engine, that is, internal combustion engine. Example for IC engines are petrol engine as well as diesel engine. These both engines are internal combustion engines. Now, second one, that is EC engine. EC engine means external combustion engine. Definition for EC engine: the heat engine in which combustions take place outside the engine cylinder. Is called EC engine. Example for EC engines are steam engine. In this way, I had explained you definition of an engine, definition of heat engine. There are two categories, that is IC engine and EC engine. Definition of IC engine, definition of EC engine with their examples. I hope you must understand this properly, and if anyone have any kind of query related to this topic, kindly ask me in the comment. I will try to answer through comment. Thank you.